Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. So we're just gonna have a read today that will be a message from the universe. Basically, it is gonna be related to some of the divine masculines and divine feminines out there who are in need of this reading right now at the moment, because I was told by the universe just to give out this read for, especially for the divine masculines and divine feminines in like a twin flame situation right now. Maybe they are in separation and someone is really in need of this reading. So this is gonna be for all the masculines and all the feminines. Let's see what comes up in the read. Okay, let's see what's going on in the life of all of our twin flames, all the divine masculines and divine feminines in separation. Okay, I'm just gonna take out some cards for divine masculine on my left and divine feminine on my right about their current situation and the future situation. Oops, this wanted to come out for some of the divine masculines. Cards are popping out. Let's see. Okay. Past. Perfect. Current situation seems amazing. Okay, let's see what's coming up for all the divine feminines. Okay, so two cards came out. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So the overall situation that I see here is let's talk about divine masculine first. Let's start with the divine masculines past situation, past in like the recent past, not like, you know, not like some months ago, but the recent past, like maybe a week or two ago. I think a lot of the divine masculines, they went through a breakup here. I see them shunting out a person from their life, probably a karmic person in their past situation for sure. And in that past situation only, like not right now, I am not talking about the current situation, I am talking about the past, the recent past situation. So in the recent past situation, it shows that divine masculines actually, they got to know, they got the strength to cut that karmic person out of their life. Maybe that person was deceptive, or maybe that person was just not, that person just didn't have to be in their life. And also in the recent past, they have already taken a decision to be on a new start in their life. Yes, so all the divine masculines are basically thinking about a new start. A new start in a very joyous way, a new start, and not like thinking about the past karmic situation anymore. They are in a very joyous, in a very joyful, playful kind of a mood, and they're just gonna have a new start, and they're like, okay, I'm not thinking about anything else in the world, I'm just gonna have this start. And that was actually the recent past situation. I would say maybe you can even count it as yesterday could be the recent past. But the current situation in which um, what they have in their mind and what they're planning to do is the very first card that came out in the current situation is a commitment, a relationship, a new relationship, or a reconciliation basically comes out with this card here. So I do see a reconciliation with the divine feminine here. So finally masculines are thinking something nice. Okay, let's see what else comes up for all the divine masculines here, because marriage is on their mind, reconciliation is on their mind, a committed relationship is on their mind. It's not like they are gonna come and approach you, in a way like not giving a commitment, maybe just hanging out. No, it's not gonna be like a friendship kind of situation. It is gonna turn into marriage for sure, that I see here, because marriage is something that is on their mind at the moment. And definitely I do see divine masculine coming up this time rather than divine feminine here. Yeah, I do see divine feminine in a very uh, cold manner at the moment, a very cold mood, or I would say maybe a very stable mood. She's pretty stable in her emotion. She is pretty stable emotionally. And then again, in the current situation, we see the Hanged Man here. Again, what is divine masculine, or I would say this more or less I'm thinking is the divine masculine is just gonna take maybe a day or two to think about this situation. Right now, like, marriage is on his mind, but he's just gonna take like a day or two still to think about it, or just to think like how I'm gonna approach this person, how much stable I am, what that person's gonna say. So he has like a lot of things going on in his mind right now. Although he's in a pretty joyous mood, he's like, okay, I am in a joyous mood, he's in a playful mood. Even in the hangman situation, what my intuition is telling me, I don't see divine masculines in a very stressed situation here. I do see them hanging in their own mind a little bit, but that is just a little bit. Like, maybe it's just gonna be one or two thoughts, because right away I do see them coming towards you just with their cup of love. I do see them coming in a very stable position towards you, in a very stable manner. They know what they are coming for, and they know that they had to reunite with you, and also divine is with them, divine is guiding divine masculine. So there is absolutely nothing to think about in this situation of divine masculine at present. And on the other hand, what we see for divine feminine is, as I said, she is in the recent past, I do see that she was going through some kind of emotional turmoil here. Maybe she was running too fast in her mind. That's why she had to go through this thing. Although she's pretty stable, she's done a lot of healing, a lot of work on herself. But maybe because of the full moon, she was going through some kind of an emotional turmoil. But in the recent past only, I see her stabilizing her own mind, stabilizing her emotions. And again, she is now thinking to build a new house. Now she's thinking to go towards, I won't say that she's going towards the divine masculine, like she again has the same thing in her mind, that she knows that divine masculine's gonna come. Like, she is just in that mode that divine masculine has already come, and how she's gonna build her house, how she's gonna, like, she has all those travel plans in her mind. Definitely she has travel plans in her mind, but in here also I do see some traveling for divine feminine also. Yeah, I do see some traveling, some hanging out with friends, some thinking about, starting a new house, how they're gonna start it, planning those kind of things, and that is all in the recent past. Maybe till yesterday that all was in her mind. And yeah, in her current situation, she has all the abundance here, divine feminine. I do see that your king is coming with his cup of love. I do see here that the king is already on his knees with his cup of love. He is already coming towards you, or he has already come towards you. For some of you, he must have already approached, because I do see it in the current situation. Where in the current situation for divine masculines, I saw the relationship and the marriage card. In divine feminine current situation, I do see divine masculine on his knees and just asking divine feminine out for marriage or something, or for an engagement. It could be, it is like definitely a marriage related function or something that I see here, that is giving divine feminine a lot of joy, because I do see a lot of joy, a lot of abundance in a lot of abundance in and happiness here. I do see a lot of prosperity, a lot of playful mood, joyous mood. Also, again, divine feminine is again pretty stable in her mind. Again, this shows marriage for divine feminine, marriage or an engagement or something like that for divine feminine too. And also definitely it is showing that she is gonna keep this relationship pretty stable. She's the one who's gonna keep this thing stable all her life, that I see, because she's the one who is very stable in her mind. Like, she's not hanging around like divine masculine all the time. What am I supposed to do now? I do see a lot of stability here. Like, she's just waiting for that one thing, like that one approach, and once that comes, it's all gonna be in her own hands, and she's gonna handle it pretty well, because I see her handling all the relations, all the commitments pretty well. And now let's see, this is the actual recent past and the current situation for both the divine masculine, for their union actually. And with the star card here, we do see a new start coming their way. So definitely, and also the new start I see here is in the recent past. That means they both, most of the divine feminines and masculines have already, met and just started their new life. But for the ones who haven't, it is gonna happen really soon. It's just a matter of some days, could be like 2 days, 1 day, or something like that. So it is definitely just a matter of some days, and there is gonna be a beautiful new start here. Yeah, it's gonna be a pretty good life for both the divine masculine and divine feminine in union. Yeah, again, I do see marriage here. I do see commitment here for them, and that is also I'm seeing like in the recent past. Like, for some of you it could have just happened yesterday, and for some of you it can just happen tomorrow. But I do see a lot of commitment here, a lot of commitment from both ends. I mean, pretty good commitment from both ends. Again, in the current situation, there is stability, there is a lot of abundance, a lot of joy, a lot of happiness, a lot of stability basically. I do see a lot of stability in both of their minds. Also, I see both of them with a new career here. So it is like, okay, if you're doing a job, if both of you are doing a job, could be that both of you are getting a new job, because I do see new career prospects here a lot. So if both of you are doing a job, you may be getting into like the same job together, or maybe you could be starting a new career together, or maybe something related to work, maybe you're starting a new company together or something. And then comes the Magician card. Whatever you put in at this moment for both, it's not just for like Divine Feminine or just for the Divine Masculine. It is for both of you. Like, if both of you put in positivity in this situation, everything positive is gonna happen, because Divine has given it in your own hands now. So once everything has come in your own hands, whatever you put in, Divine's gonna make it true. So the more positivity, the more love, the more prosperity, the more happiness you put in, you're gonna get it all back in, like, it's gonna be multiplied. Your happiness, your joy is gonna be multiplied. So whatever you're trying to manifest, whatever you're trying to get, just keep on doing that. If you're still not in union, just keep on doing that. Just keep on manifesting the union, and eventually you're gonna go into that. Eventually that is gonna happen, and it's not gonna take a lot of time, because both of you have done the healing. Divine is with you, all the universal powers are with you, and they have made you the magician of your life. So whatever you want to put in, just simply put in, and Divine's gonna make it true. Yeah, that's what I see here. Divine's gonna make everything true, whatever you were gonna ask for. Before, I could see the Magician card only for Divine Feminine, but in this read, I see it for both of you. Even after the union, like if you've already had the union, whatever you are putting in right now is just gonna happen. So whatever positivity you both are gonna put in, it's gonna happen. It's gonna be true for you both. Yeah, that's what I see here. And I see most of the Divine Feminines and Masculines in union already. Like maybe yesterday, day before yesterday, but it has already happened for most of you. And for the ones that it has not happened, it is on both of your minds. And if this union is on your mind, then remember, you are the magician. Whatever you're gonna put in, you're gonna get back. So do not even try to put in the negativity in, because we don't need that. And I do see both of you pretty emotionally stable. I mean, none of you are like juggling, or because none of you, I don't see any past karmic situations for any of you. Divine Masculine, there was a past karmic situation for sure, but Divine Masculine has already cut that person off from his life completely. It is not like he's still in that mode to get that person back, or still in that sorrow. He is not in that sorrow anymore. And Divine Feminine was on this path from a pretty long time that I see. She was asking for this union from a pretty long time, and she has eventually just gained a lot of emotional and spiritual stability here. Yeah, so just put in positivity, just put in all the good things in. If you're already in the union, just put in all the joy, all the happiness. Whatever you do right now is going to be multiplied in like many different ways for you. So just try and put in all the joy, all the happiness. Let's see what advice we have for the ones in union first. For the ones, for them for whom the union has already taken place. Let's see what advice we have from the tarot here. Okay, Justice. See, Justice has already been granted to you. What else do you need? Strength. Underneath the deck we have Strength card here. So Justice has, okay, I do see that it's gonna be a fire sign for most of you. Like for one of you it's gonna be the fire sign, and for one of you I do see here Like I do see water here. In case of marriage cards here, I do see some water signs here. Yeah, and I see it for even for the karmic. I do see that the karmic was also like a water sign for some of you here. Okay, let's not talk about the signs, but for the ones that have already got into union, you have already got justice. Justice has already been granted to you with this card here, and you have all the strength in the world. You have all the strength in the world to start a new life. You don't need like any more strength. You both can give each other the strength. Just start a happy life. Let's see what advice we have for the ones in separation now. Let's see what's the advice for the ones in separation. Okay. So you are gonna get out of this situation pretty soon. It's not so long. Yeah, it's not that long. It's just that you cannot see the union right now. For the ones that are not in union, you just can't see it. The union has already taken place here. Yeah. So as I was saying before, like it's just a matter of some days now. It's not even gonna take like months, or I would say years, but it's just a matter of some days and the union's already there. It's just that you can't see it right now, but you will pass this time through, and you'll be pretty wise in passing this time. Maybe some of you may go through some kind of emotional turmoils that this thing's not happening, that thing's not happening, but it is all good. Just try to stabilize yourself. Everything's on track. It's just that you cannot see it right now with the moon card. Yeah, it's just that, okay, so you guys have all the strength. You guys have all the strength to deal with this. You guys have the strength to wait for this reunion here. I can see here. It's for both of you. You guys have all the strength to wait for this union. You don't need it. It's not like that you need a lot of strength. It's gonna happen for you. See, as I was shuffling, I saw the Ace of Cups. See, it's happening for you. Definitely that cup of love is coming really soon, and just a matter of some days. It's not even gonna take months. It's just that you can't see it right now. Yeah, even though it's gonna happen next week, you can't see. But definitely universe is assuring all of you here that this union is definitely gonna happen for sure, and universe has already given you the strength to be on this path, to just grow on this path till you get into union. Yeah, you have all the strength inside you. You also, you are in that self-love kind of situation where you both are not too much emotionally unstable. You both are pretty happy in your own moods. You both are pretty stable, pretty joyous in your own mood. Yeah, you just can't see it right now. So just wait for this time to go. And you have the strength, you have other things to do. Definitely. Okay, let's see. We're just gonna see some advice from the tarot for the ones in separation here. Just some advice from the universe. What you need to keep doing, whether you need to meditate or just stay strong, or let's see what you need to do. Okay, some advice for the ones in separation here. Some advice for the ones in separation, please. So the ones in separation. Okay. Yeah, you guys are gonna have a new start. Definitely happiness is coming your way. The universe is just saying that wait for that new start. You are definitely gonna have that new start here. You are definitely gonna have that new start pretty soon. and you have all the strength in your own hands. You are pretty stable. You could be in a hermit mode, you could be in like, you are in a pretty stable situation. Even though you guys are not connecting, even though you guys are not uniting, you both are in a pretty good state right now. Yeah, you guys are in a pretty good state. And also you both are patiently waiting for the union to happen, and it is eventually gonna happen as the advice from the universe. The union is eventually gonna happen for all the twin flames. Yeah, because you guys have all the strength and you are waiting for it so patiently that the universe is so happy from you guys. Perfect. That was a pretty good read for all the twin flames, and for all the ones that already got into union here. Congratulations. Maybe you just can't see the union. For the ones that are still thinking, we are in separation, maybe you just can't see the union, but the union has already taken place. The universe suggested here, see, the universe suggested that justice has been granted to you already. Justice has been granted. It is done from the universe side. It is just that it's gonna happen in the physical world, and how it's gonna happen, that thing is a little bit hidden, but definitely it's gonna come out. It's gonna come out in front of you, and you'll be pretty surprised about that whole thing, that how all that happened. How this person could have just talked to me all of a sudden, how this person's just calling me. Yeah, it has already happened. In universe has already made it happen. Now just keep putting positivity into it, as the magician card suggests. Whatever you're going to put into the situation, you'll get it back in, like, it's going to be multiplied 100 times and you'll get it all back. Perfect read for all the divine masculines and divine feminines here. Okay, so that was the read for all the twin flames out there, and if this read resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like my readings and if you want me to continue doing such readings, also let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.